Morning year 3. So today we're going back to multiplying by 8 like we were doing yesterday. So the first question is asking us, find the product of. Can you remember what this word product means? There's a bit of a clue in everything that we're doing. Yep, product means multiplying. So find the product, multiply these numbers. So 3 and 4, we should know this because we know our 3 times tables and we know our 4 times tables. So it just means 3 groups of 4, 3 times 4 is, that's right, it's 12. What about 4 and 3? Is that any different? If we have 3 groups of 4 or 4 groups of 3, it's still the same, so it's still going to be 12. Now question B asks, find the product of 3 and 8. Now we know from yesterday, if we already know the answer to 3 and 4, because 8 is twice as big as 4, the answer is going to be twice as big as 12. So twice as big as 12 is 24. Now find the product of 8 and 3. Is it going to be different? No. Whenever we're multiplying or adding, it doesn't matter which way around our numbers go. We'll always make the same answer. Now question number 2. A spider has 8 legs. How many legs are there altogether on 5 spiders? Now I've drawn a picture of 5 spiders to help. Now just making sure all of them actually do have 8 legs. Here they do. Now what the question is asking is how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 spiders, that's 5 groups. And each spider has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 legs. So the question is asking, what is 5 times 8? Now you should know this already because you know your 5 times tables. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. But we can check it if you know your 8 times tables. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Well done. There are 40 legs on 5 spiders. Now finally, just focusing it there. Complete the 8 times tables. So 1 times 8. 1 times tables are the easiest tables in the whole world because the number never changes. You have one group of 8, you have 8. 2 times 8, you know because you know your 8 times tables, 8, 16, and you know your 2 times tables, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Now 3 times 8, we can work this out by adding 1 group of 8 and 2 groups of 8 because that makes 3. So 16 add 8 is 24. 5 times 8 we should know because we just worked out with our spiders, 40. Now let's see if we can use these answers to help us with these ones. 2 times 8 is 16. 4 times 8 is going to be twice as big as 16 because 4 is twice as big as 2. So 16 adds 16. Try and do it in my head, but I already know because I've learned my 8 times tables off by heart. I made a little mistake here, so my 6 is a bit messy, sorry. But it does say 6 times 8. Now we know 3 times 8 is 24. So 6 times 8 is going to be twice as big. So 24 add 24. Well, we know 4 add 4 is going to be 8. 2 add 2 is going to be 4. Now there is another way we could have worked that out actually using the 2 and the 4. Because 2 groups of 8 and 4 groups of 8 is going to make 6 groups of 8. So we could have actually added 32 and 16 and got the same answer. Now the last one, 10 times 8, that should be super easy because we know when we multiply by 10 we do not add a 0, but everything moves one place value to the left. So our 8 starts from the 1 and goes into the tens column, and then we need to add a placeholder to make it 80. Another way we could have done it is because 10 is twice as big as 5, 10 times 8 is going to be twice as big as 5 times 8, so 40 and 40 makes 80. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Keep up the good work. I've seen a couple of people on TT Rockstars. Let's see if you can get on it today.